If you are searching for the best Kamado grills for 2026, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore the top Kamado grills that deliver outstanding heat control, durability, and incredible flavor for grilling, smoking, roasting, and baking. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned barbecue enthusiast, there is a perfect option for you. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Number 5. The Kamado JoJo Jr. 13.5-inch portable charcoal grill is an excellent choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want premium ceramic grilling performance in a compact package. Designed for camping, tailgating, beach gatherings, and backyard meals, this portable grill delivers impressive versatility without sacrificing cooking quality. Its durable ceramic construction retains heat exceptionally well while locking in moisture and smoky flavor for consistently delicious results. One of the biggest highlights is its temperature control. The thick-walled ceramic body works together with the cast iron top vent to maintain steady cooking temperatures for grilling, smoking, roasting, or baking. Whether preparing burgers over high heat or slow-cooking ribs, the Joe Jr. provides reliable and predictable performance. Another standout feature is its portable design. The sturdy cast iron stand offers stability while keeping the grill easy to transport for outdoor adventures. Although compact, the 150 square inch cooking surface provides enough space to prepare meals for a small family or group of friends. The stainless steel hinged cooking grate also allows you to add charcoal during cooking without removing the entire grate, making long cooking sessions much more convenient. The included ceramic heat deflector expands cooking possibilities by enabling indirect cooking, while the built-in temperature gauge helps monitor heat without lifting the lid. Accessories such as the grill, gripper, and ash tool add extra convenience and improve everyday usability. Overall, the Kamado JoJo Jr. combines premium construction, outstanding heat retention, and excellent cooking versatility in a travel-friendly size. It is a dependable investment for anyone seeking authentic charcoal flavor and high-quality performance wherever the adventure takes them. Number 4. The Brandman RODEO Elite Kamado Charcoal Grill and Smoker is designed for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want professional performance combined with everyday convenience. This cabinet-style Kamado grill delivers excellent versatility for grilling, smoking, roasting, and slow cooking, making it a strong choice for backyard gatherings, tailgating, and family celebrations. The grill's heat retention performance comes from its double layer, coin thickness, steel construction, and fiberglass gasket system. This advanced design helps maintain consistent temperatures while preserving smoke and moisture for flavorful meals. Whether you are searing steaks at high temperatures or smoking ribs slowly, the RODEO Elite provides dependable cooking control. A major advantage is the spacious cooking capacity. The 400 square inch cast iron cooking area provides enough room to prepare meals for larger groups, while the half-moon warming rack adds extra flexibility for keeping food warm or creating different cooking zones. The durable cast iron grates also help create excellent sear marks and improve heat distribution. The integrated workstation makes this grill highly practical. The large prep table, storage space, and included grilling basket provide convenient organization during cooking sessions. Its all-terrain wheels and reinforced legs allow smooth movement while maintaining stability on different outdoor surfaces. Temperature management is simple with the 5-position airflow control system and built-in hood thermometer. Cleanup is also easier thanks to the enamel-coated lid and removable ashtray. Overall, the Brandman RODEO Elite offers durable construction, impressive cooking space, and smart features that make outdoor cooking more enjoyable. It is a powerful Kamado grill and smoker for anyone looking to upgrade their barbecue experience. Number 3. The Kamado Joe ClassicJoe I 18-inch charcoal grill is a premium ceramic grill designed for serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want versatility, durability, and exceptional flavor. Built with a thick-walled, heat-resistant shell, this grill provides excellent insulation by locking in smoke and moisture for better results at any temperature. The standout feature is its flexible cooking system. The patented 2-tier divide and conquer design allows you to cook different foods at multiple temperatures simultaneously. From slow smoking meats at 225 degrees Fahrenheit to high heat searing at 750 degrees Fahrenheit. This innovative setup gives you complete control over your cooking style. Another major advantage is the precision temperature control provided by the cast iron top vent. It allows smooth airflow adjustment, helping maintain consistent heat for long smoking sessions or intense grilling. The built-in thermometer makes monitoring temperatures simple, so you can achieve reliable cooking results every time. The ClassicJoe also offers excellent convenience with its patented slide-out ash drawer. Instead of removing internal components for cleaning, you can quickly remove ash and prepare the grill for the next cooking session. The premium cart with locking wheels provides stability while making movement around your outdoor space easier. Included accessories such as stainless steel cooking grates, folding side shelves, grill gripper, and ash tool add extra value and improve the overall experience. Overall, the Kamado Joe ClassicJoe delivers premium performance, outstanding heat retention, and versatile cooking options. It is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality charcoal grill that can handle everything from everyday grilling to advanced smoking techniques. Number 2. The Kamado Joe ClassicJoe III 18-inch charcoal grill is a premium ceramic grill designed for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want professional performance, advanced features, and incredible versatility. Built as one of the most innovative grills in the ClassicJoe lineup, it combines traditional charcoal cooking with modern technology to deliver outstanding grilling and smoking results. The biggest highlight is the advanced cooking versatility provided by the 3-tier divide-and-conquer flexible cooking system. This unique design allows you to prepare different foods at different temperatures at the same time, making it ideal for family meals, parties, and large gatherings. Whether you are searing steaks, roasting vegetables, or slow-cooking barbecue, this system provides excellent control. Another impressive feature is the slow roller smoker technology. This hyperbolic insert transforms the grill into a powerful smoker by distributing heat and smoke evenly throughout the cooking chamber. Combined with the thick ceramic walls and double-thick wire mesh fiberglass gasket, the grill maintains stable temperatures while preserving moisture and rich smoky flavors. The control tower top vent helps maintain consistent airflow settings even when opening and closing the dome, while the airlift hinge makes the heavy ceramic lid easier to handle. The stainless steel charcoal basket also simplifies charcoal management and cleanup. The heavy-duty galvanized steel cart with locking wheels provides strong support and easy mobility, while included accessories such as stainless steel cooking grates, folding side shelves, grill gripper, and ash tool add convenience. Overall, the Kamado Joe ClassicJoe III delivers premium construction, exceptional temperature control, and unmatched cooking flexibility. It is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a high-performance charcoal grill and smoker for years of outdoor cooking enjoyment. Number 1. The Kamado Joe BigJoe III 24-inch charcoal grill is a premium outdoor cooking powerhouse designed for enthusiasts who want maximum cooking space, advanced features, and professional-level results. Built with high-quality ceramic construction, this grill delivers excellent heat retention while locking in smoke and moisture for flavorful meals every time. The biggest advantage of the BigJoe 3 is its large cooking capacity. With 452 square inches of cooking space, it provides enough room to prepare a complete feast for family gatherings, parties, and outdoor events. The 3-tier divide-and-conquer flexible cooking system allows you to cook multiple foods at different temperatures simultaneously, creating endless possibilities for grilling, roasting, and smoking. Another standout feature is the advanced smoking performance. The included slow roller hyperbolic insert transforms the grill into a powerful smoker by distributing heat and smoke evenly around the cooking area. This helps create tender, flavorful barbecue with consistent results. The control tower top vent also provides precise airflow management and maintains settings even when opening and closing the dome. The heavy-duty galvanized grill cart with locking wheels offers excellent stability and mobility, making it easier to position the grill anywhere in your outdoor space. The airlift hinge reduces the weight of the ceramic dome, while the double-thick wire mesh fiberglass gasket and stainless steel latch create a reliable airtight seal. Additional accessories, including ceramic heat deflectors, stainless steel cooking grates, folding aluminum side shelves, grill gripper, and ash tool, enhance convenience. Overall, the Kamado Joe BigJoe III delivers premium durability, impressive versatility, and exceptional charcoal cooking performance. It is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a professional-grade grill, capable of handling large meals and advanced cooking techniques. Thank you for watching our guide to the best Kamado grills for 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect grill for your outdoor cooking adventures. If you enjoyed this review, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Let us know your favorite Kamado grill in the comments. See you in the next video.